If you are wondering if OnePlus 15R can overheat, then the answer is yes. There is a chance that you can experience heating issues. Now over here I did a benchmark, which is of course a very demanding task for a phone, so higher temperature is of course something natural. But on the other hand, 46 degrees Celsius is also a quite high temperature. It's pretty hot. It feels quite hot to hold the phone. I mean, right now maybe it's not that hot to hold because it's been a couple of minutes since I did the benchmark, but still it is quite hot. And of course you can experience a much higher temperature when, for example, playing games for a long time, maybe when you use camera for a long time, or if you watch videos for a long time. Now, this doesn't mean that you will always have a hot phone. It doesn't mean that you will always reach those high temperatures, even if you do like very basic day-to-day stuff on your phone. That shouldn't really be the case. But if you start doing those more demanding things, then you can actually experience overheating. And this is mostly due to the fact that we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, the chipset, which is unfortunately known for overheating. So this is an issue that is pretty much the case for every smartphone that uses this at this moment, the newest chipset from Snapdragon. So maybe until there is some sort of optimization that can appear, of course, as a form of an update, we will probably have the chance to experience those heating issues from time to time on this phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.